Remember this video? What you're about to see is going to change everything. After this, it's never going to be the same again. It was the first video covering dynamic arrays on my channel. We went from something this complex to something this simple. But what else can be achieved with dynamic arrays? We can make impressive interactive reports like this one in just a few minutes and with simple formulas and techniques. We can do things we generally just manage to achieve with VBA, like splitting text and numbers into two separate cells. We can easily look for multiple match results, and we can even look for approximate matches. We cover all this in my new Excel dynamic array course. By the end of the course, you're going to be able to set up reports that weren't easily possible in legacy Excel. For example, you're going to create interactive tabular reports that look like pivot tables, but they're formula-based. You'll create loan amortization reports, top performance dashboards like top 5 products, and even a dynamic calendar. To make sure you get the most out of the course in the least amount of time possible, I've split the course into 3 main modules: Dynamic Array Beginner, Advanced, and Expert. Not everyone needs to do complex data analysis or set up tricky reports. Your job might require you to have basic Excel knowledge, or you may need to set up really complex dashboards. This way you can achieve the level that you feel is right for you and for your work. In the beginner sections, we cover the fundamentals like what the new dynamic array functions are, how normal Excel formulas and features are impacted, compatibility, and impact on spreadsheet performance. In the advanced and expert sections, we're going to be covering the theory behind Excel's calculation engine. This is a topic that's generally not covered in other Excel courses. It's going to help you unlock the potential of Excel formulas in general, not just the new dynamic array formulas. Along the way, you're going to have many exercises and challenges to test your understanding, along with built-in quizzes. You'll also have PDF course notes for you to reference anytime. But before you get the course, you need to make sure you qualify. Basically, you need to make sure you have dynamic arrays. Dynamic arrays are going to be a part of Excel for Office 365, but they're not going to be a part of Excel 2010, 13, 16, 19 perpetual license, so only in the subscription package. Let's pause this video for more clarification. So at the time I'm filming this, which is June 2019, dynamic arrays are only available in Office 365 Insider Edition. Now, if you're watching this after Microsoft has rolled these out to the general public, what I'm going to say next is what you need to be aware of. So let's get back. It's also going to be rolled out at different stages depending on when you receive updates. So just to make sure that you have it, here's what I want you to do. Open Excel, type in the letter A in cell A1, B in cell A2. Then go to B1 and type this formula in, equals A1 to A2. What do you see? Do you get this? You have dynamic arrays. Or do you get this? Then you don't have dynamic arrays. If you need to create complex reports but use simple techniques and formulas, you should take advantage of Excel's new calculation engine. Be one of the first at your company to understand how formulas work in the new Excel. Think outside the box and come up with simple solutions to complex problems. If you're interested to find out more and watch some free preview lectures to see what's inside, check out the link in the description of the video. I'm looking forward to hearing how you're going to be using dynamic arrays at work. Let me know in the comments below or in the comments inside the course. See you in the next video.